The fourth principle is about creating spaces or platforms that function as a landing strip for the emerging future. Think about the space we are in here, the Lego Learning Lab, and kind of the Media Lab as a whole space. It's designed to play that role, kind of to function as a landing strip for the emerging future. But with some of these societal innovations that many of you are involved in, your challenge is even more complex than just product innovation. So the question is, how do you and where do you create the holding space for the future that you want to create in that system to be experimented with in a safe way and to be explored kind of in a safe way where people can learn from mistakes and engage in new ways of relating to one another. And what we saw in many of the prototypes across many of initiatives and projects and systems and countries is that the essence of these prototypes essentially is transforming the way how a constellation of stakeholders is communicating, collaborating, and co-creating. From debate to dialogue, basically from ego to eco. And to prototype these kinds of relational shifts, what it takes is 3D modeling, it takes role play, and also another method we have been using for that is called social presencing theater, which is a method that we hope to explore more with you maybe in the part 2 of this ULab, possibly next year. The bottom line is that in order to allow the future to land, in order to connect to the emerging future, we need to hold the space. We need to create kind of spaces like you can feel, you can experience here in the context of the sector and the system that we try to bring that innovation about. So how do we hold the space? How do we create the environment for something new to emerge and to be experimented with on a small scale? That's principle number 4. Platforms and spaces that function as a landing strip for the emerging future.